Today we bring to you a game-changing power generator for backup power for the Horeca segment, restaurants, banks, any commercial establishment that needs power as a backup whenever your lights go out. Yes, we are talking about India's first LPG fired generator. So this model right here in our factory today is a Guardian 17 kVA Generac powered engine, giving a power output of up to 14 kilowatt using 4 kg of LPG at full load. So if I have to compare between diesel and LPG, per unit cost using diesel powered generator would be around 33 rupees, and the per unit cost for producing electricity with this LPG fired generator would only be about 21 rupees. That's a whopping 35 to 40% saving on switching from diesel generators to LPG generators. We'll switch it on the LPG fired generator. You can have a look at this noise, the compactness, just 5.5 feet by 2.5 feet. So I switched the generator on manually, but it's also automatic on and automatic off. You can see the noise level, so quiet, completely low noise, no high temperature. I am here, the generator is on right now and I am speaking to you. I have put my hand on this, it's not at all hot. Exhaust, you can't see barely any exhaust, any fumes, any flames. Fits in a very small space, and all in all it's a great package to have for your commercial establishments. Let's have a look at the LPG system, the compact LP Genius Smart LPG system which is firing this generator. Come have a look. So this is the LP Genius, the smart LPG system that's firing the generator. Just one small compact 47 kg cylinder, the whole system, vaporizer, regulator, and again very small system, 5 feet in length, 5 feet in height, and only 1.5 feet depth. World's first smart LPG system, the LP Genius, which is firing India's first LPG fired generator, the Generac Pune Gas Guardian 17 kVA.